Market update here on the 10th. So we ended up melting up the rest of the day. One of my least favorite days, to be honest. Just options completely just messes up everything and it goes higher, melts up higher, but that's part of the game. So you can't complain about it, but not my favorite day. Basically on this move down that I talked about in the last video, if you draw your parallel lines here, you'll see that it hit basically at the very bottom of this hit exactly pretty much right at the bottom. So what this is a ABC move, except for based on where the B wave is, you would project the C wave to go a lot lower. But now looking at this, I think that this whole move is just the A wave. So A, and we're working on a B wave. So that means C wave should still come down here lower. We just got a short C wave right here. So a nice move down, looked promising in the morning and then completely just changed on pretty much nothing. Just started melting up. But that's the B wave here. They wanted to take it higher. They're probably, I would say the most likely scenario is we go down into CPI. So maybe I'll be wrong about that, but I think that the chart is showing that we almost topped out. If we look at this move individually, this is an ABC move pretty clearly. I mean, look how weak this is. This move right here, this third wave, extremely weak. Doesn't go to the 1.61 fib. Comes close. I'm still gonna watch it in case it does count as a 5-wave move, but right now I consider it A, B, working on C, and I'm thinking that there's a chance that we get a C wave just like this, another short C wave here, like 391. If I'm wrong about that, the normal length would be 392.71. So we're looking at a move that's going to look a lot like this. If we draw parallel lines again, say it goes to 391. Something like this down here to like 380, 350, 384. So still going there, it's just taking longer because they decided to burn all those puts. If we get a move down like this, then I would start considering that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But until then, I'm expecting that's probably too far, but something like that. So the whole thing would look, and then if we zoom out, the whole move would look like A, B, and then we would get a C wave up here. So if we go to 380, 350, then that's about 8.5 points higher than 393. We're looking at like 401, 402. Probably going to hit the 200-day moving average. Potentially the 20 could cross the 50 again, but we'll have to see how that goes. But I kind of ruled out today the chances of this being well, it is ruled out. This is ABC for sure. So look for one more move down, I think, and then we'll get a C wave up, probably a 5-wave move up to like 400. So not the best day, but it happens. The dollar, not much to say about the dollar, still in the same spot. Let's go over Tesla. So Tesla, if you zoom in here on the lower time frames, you will see that I already have it marked out here. I think this is ABC right here. So A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, or A, B, C, B. Looking for a C wave down here into the demand zone, and then another melt up, probably to like 135 in the 200-day or the 20-day moving average. Apple. Apple, same thing as SPY. Looking for potentially that, and then probably a melt up to maybe 139. Probably going to go to the 200-day on the 2-hour. Let's see if there's anything around there. Maybe 20-day, 50-day moving average here on the daily time frame. Probably hit that. So that's Apple. Let's go over Bitcoin real quick. Probably no movement. Actually up a little bit today, but overall still looking like a second wave most likely. What else are we going to go over here? I think that's pretty much it. I was just going to go over SPY for the most part. So look for SPY to maybe melt up a little bit higher and then drop back down. There is some invalidations for that, but really a B wave can go all the way up here and still be valid. Can go all the way up here too. So we'll see how it goes over the next couple of days. I think that CPI is likely to come in lower than expected as we come down here going into Thursday. But we'll see. Maybe we melt up tomorrow and start the move down and then bounce into CPI and it comes down here on CPI. We'll see how it goes, but that's pretty much my number one route as of now. And I think that we're not ready to make the bearish move down to low 300s yet. So leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Like, subscribe for more updates. I didn't go over as much today, but this is the main thing to look at is SPY, and that's mainly what I trade. So look for this pattern, A, B, C wave higher, and we'll see if it plays out. Have a good night.